Happy Janmashtami, all of you. Krishna Janmashtami is a festival to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is one of the most powerful avatars of Lord Vishnu, and the purpose of the birth of Lord Krishna has rid the world of evil. Lord Krishna plays an essential role in Mahabharata, and he talks about karma during Mahabharata. Krishna, the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu, delivered the Bhagavad Gita on the battlefield to Arjun when he was reluctant to kill his own king. Krishna represents love, wisdom, intellect, and the 700 verses of the Bhagavad Gita contain a vast sea of knowledge. It gives us the message to keep doing our duty without worrying about the result. Here is one quote by Lord Krishna that appeals to humankind even today. Whatever has happened for good. Whatever is happening for good. And whatever will happen shall also happen for good. What have you lost that you cry for? What did you bring that you lost? And what did you create that was destroyed? You came empty-handed and will go empty-handed. Whatever is yours today has somebody else yesterday and will be somebody else tomorrow. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, the birth. He was born at Mathura city situated in Uttar Pradesh in India. When Lord Krishna was born in Mathura city, people were very upset due to the king of Mathura. The name of the king was Kans. Lord Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. During the time of the birth of the eighth son of Devaki, a light came out in the prison where Devaki and Vasudeva were imprisoned. From this light, Lord Vishnu manifested and asked Devaki and Vasudeva that I am coming here as your eighth son. Now go to the house of Nanda and Yashoda with me, where a girl has born to Nanda and Yashoda. Bring that girl and offer the girl to Kans. Lord Vishnu also informed Vasudeva that doesn't worry about the guards of the prison and the heavy rain. All the guards were asleep and the gate will be opened itself. River Yamuna will give you a way to bring me there. Moreover, during this time, Lord Vasuki will protect you and your son from the rain in the river Yamuna. Vasudeva kept his son in a wooden basket and reached the house of Nand and Yashoda. Vasudeva gave his son to Nand and Yashoda, took their daughter and come back to Mathura in the prison. In the morning, when Kans heard about the newborn baby of Devaki, he went to the prison and tried to kill the daughter of Devaki. Immediately the girl flew into the sky and said, "You will get nothing after killing me because your killer is still alive in the Gokul." और पता है बच्चों, यह सुनकर तो कंस के होश ही उड़ गए और उसने क्या किया? जितने भी बालक उस समय पैदा हुए थे उन सबको मारने का प्रण ले लिया और विभिन्न विभिन्न प्रयत्न करने लगा। वहां कंस प्रयत्न कर रहा था और यहाँ कृष्ण अपनी लीलाओं से सबको मोहित कर रहे थे। कृष्ण की लीलाएं बहुत ही मनमोहक हैं। कभी वो माखन चुराते, कभी वो मैया से भागते, कभी वो गोपियों को तंग करते। उनकी लीलाओं का जितना वर्णन किया जाए उतना ही कम है। Students, do you know? Once Kans sent one devil named Kaliya to kill God Krishna. God Krishna fought with the devil Kaliya and then started to play flute on the Kaliya's back. In this way, a number of devils were sent by Kans to kill God Krishna, but all defeated or killed. Kanswad. When Kans came to know about Krishna, he invited him to come to the city of Mathura. Krishna accepted it and went there with his brother Balram. After seeing the lean body shape of Krishna, Kans underestimated him as he was unaware of the fact that he is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. In the fight, Kans was defeated and the prophecy that was made years back proved to be true. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. May the Natkat Nandlal always give you many reasons to be happy. Happy Janmashtami all of you.